This video is not for you. Clearly not for you. Because this liner has taken me at least 20 minutes. Just the liner, guys. Just the liner.
Feeling the love on Valentine's Day? Let's create a stunning makeup look to match. Apply your favorite moisturizer to prep your skin for flawless base. Prep your eyelids with an eyeshadow base to make it long lasting. Now let's add some romance with a soft natural shade eyeshadow. And remember to blend. Now it's time for some drama.
आपके पार्टनर के साथ आपके थॉट्स मिले ना मिले, विन दोनों साइड के इक्वल मिलने चाहिए.
Bright eyes are perfect for sparkling with love. Now even out your complexion with a light foundation. We want your natural beauty to shine just like your love. And remember to pack it with loose powder. Add a touch of rosy blush for a healthy glow. Love makes you blush, right? The finishing touch? A bold red lip. It's Valentine's Day after all. Embrace the inner goddess and own your love. There you have it, a Valentine's Day look. Remember, love is the most beautiful accessory, so wear it with confidence. Happy Valentine's Day!